Are we rolling? Yeah. Hello. Welcome to Top Transport. But may I just say, Dad, that's his owner. One man and his dog. There's the man. And there's the doggy. And there's the dog. Yeah, we're here in Ireland on a place called, well, I don't know actually what we are. We're on a beach. I know this has nothing to do with transport or anything, but it's just my holiday and I'm just looking at it. He's got his owner, Dad. We're, as you can see, on the beach. The scenery. I don't know, that is just a dog. Yeah, we're on the scenery, the beach. Let's go home hopefully. Bloody tired, to be honest with you. Yeah, alright. We are... Well, I'm on your own this year. That's all it is. No Adrian. Anyway. Blimey, I wonder where it was coming from. What's out doing? You're going to get water. Oh, I don't think that's yeah, I'm just sitting about the beach. Can we go and look at the waterfall? I'll see you later, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you for watching the video. There's a waterfall over there. This beach is really quiet. On that weird one, can't find this part. Thank you. Bye-bye.